We have achieved our target, our EBITDA target, in a recessionary environment now at 303 million euros, and that despite all the challenges that we were facing in this overall context. So you just were naming a few of those topics. We see still that the overall energy prices in Europe are at very high levels, and even the recent movements that we have seen do not really bring us back to pre-crisis levels. Next to that, you have mentioned that we were able to pass on prices to customers, but that we also see a weakening economic, let's say, overall macroeconomic environment. So having said that, I believe that in Europe, the situation will remain challenging. We see, let's say, a much more stable overall environment in the US, despite inflationary tendencies here. And at the same time, we see, if we're looking into China, that there's also a slight weakening of the overall macroeconomic environment. So overall, it is a mixed bag, and the overall economic outlook remains uncertain. And that also has led us to, let's say, a more precise guidance and updated guidance, narrowing at the lower end of the previous guidance at 1.7 to 1.8 billion euros.
Markus, it's interesting to hear the language that you're choosing to use to describe the economic environment. You said that we are in a recessionary environment, and that's why you're seeing the pullback in volumes. What does that mean for your assumptions around volumes and pricing in the quarters ahead, and what kind of visibility do you have?
Well, visibility, given the overall uncertain environment, is more, let's say, on a very, let's say, short time frame. And you have seen that gas and energy prices in Europe are very volatile, and from our perspective will remain very volatile. Next to that fact, we also seeing that consumers' confidence everywhere around the world is getting lower. And overall, we therefore do not expect a significant pickup in volumes, for example, in the fourth quarter. We therefore, as usual, stand on a more cautious side. Also given the fact, once again, that gas prices and energy prices in Europe have come down, but they're not yet at pre-crisis levels. They're actually far away from pre-crisis levels. So in that context, we therefore also stayed at the, let's say, lower end, and therefore have a more precise guidance now at the lower end of our EBITDA for 1.7 to 1.8 billion euros. And that's what we so far can see. And therefore, it's too early to take an outlook, let's say, at consecutive quarters, for example, Q1 or Q2 for 2023.
Hi, I'm Joanna Bersecci, and thank you for watching. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more from CNBC International. Thank you for watching.